Hello everyone, welcome to another AI tech tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI images to video, like image to video for free and unlimited time. So first, I'm going to show you how you can create image to video for free. For this, we need to come to this website, which is called Grok. So just go to the grok.com. I'll give the link in the description box, or also you can search for grok.com in Google, Chrome browser, or any browser that you have. So after I come to this website, if you don't have a Grok account, just click on the sign up button and you can sign up with Google. Let me show you first how to create videos with this. Then I'm going to show you how you can use this for unlimited time and for free. So first of all, after creating an account, you just need to create a video. So you're going to go to this left side and you can see there's an option of imagine. You can also see this create image. But we're going to go to this imagine option from the left side. Click on this imagine option. And after this, you will go to this page and you can see lots of AI images and videos are made by this Grok AI image video generator. So if you try to create any image here, you can see type to imagine. You can create any type of images from here. And if I just type something here, for example, so I just create a simple prompt here, a village house in the style of anime, and if I just click on submit, it will start to create image for me. And also it will create videos for me. As you can see, a village house in the style of anime, and you can see lots of AI images here. It will generate lots of images for you, and also it will create a video for you when you try to create an image here. So let's just wait for the video here. And you can see all the images down there. So when you type any prompt, it will give you lots of images and it's all for free. But there's a limitation to create images and also create videos within the Grok here. So as you can see, this is the video that I got. So let me just play it, and also it will give you some sound. So let me just play it. So you can see it's pretty good. The video quality is good, and also the images are here. All are pretty good here. You can see there's a download option. You can click to download this and it's for free. But there's a limitation here. You can only create 2 to 3 images and maybe 5 to 10 videos per day in the Grok here when you try to create any images or videos. But there's the attachment option you can see, and the attach clip option. If you click this attach option, you can upload a file and create videos from that. So let me just upload a file that I made with another AI. So if I just upload this image, and it will start to upload. And whenever you upload an image, it will automatically start to create a video for you. As you can see, this is the image that I uploaded, and it is right now creating a video for me. We can also create a prompt or give a prompt to what type of video that you want. But let me just finish the video here. Then I will show you how you can also customize your video if you don't like the automatic video that you have in this grokai.com. So as you can see, this is the video that I got, which is free, and I have just uploaded an image with the 16:9 ratio that I created with Google AI Studios. Create free images with the Google AI Studio. If you don't know how to do this, you can watch another video of how to create Google AI Studio images for free. But right now, I'm showing you how you can create images to video for free. You can use any other AI images generator to create free images. And I'll upload this in Grok AI image. So the video has been created. Now you can download. If I just give a prompt here, so I just give a custom prompt here. The person in the hoodie raise his hands and click submit, and it will start to create the video. So I just want this video to make the person is going to raise his hands. So it's going to create another video for me. So as you can see, the video has been completed just like I wanted. Maybe some more effect in the video. You can also put out that, just give it prompt here, but I'm just showing you we can also customize your video by uploading that image. So right now I'm going to show you why I'm telling this, that you can use this for free and unlimited time. So if I just go to my library here, you can see the images that I uploaded. Let me show you that I have created lots of video with Grok AI. As you can see, from this video to this video, this is just one day. I created more than 20 plus or 15 plus videos with Grok AI, uploading images from other AI image generator. Like I created all these images in Google AI Studio, and I just uploaded these images in Grok AI, and I created all these videos and I didn't get any limitation. Maybe 20 plus is the limitation here, but 20 videos for a day with the image to video is pretty good here. But if you want to use this for unlimited time, let me show you another method here. So if I just go to the incognito, right now I'm in incognito mode, as you can see. And you can see when you try to sign up with Grok AI, you will see a sign up with email. So you just need to go to a temp email here, search for temp email in the incognito mode, click on this temp mail, and it will give you a temporary email. So whenever you get the limitation, like if you make 20 plus videos, but I didn't get any limitation in Grok AI, I make 20 plus videos with another image, don't use the images that you create in Imagine, like typing here and create the video with this. This will give you limitation, but when you upload an image and create videos like this, I didn't get any limitation for the being time right now. But if you get limitation, you can use this method. So I just get a temporary email here. So I just copy this. Then I just click on sign up with email. So I just paste this email and click sign up. And now this will give me a confirmation code to confirm the email here. So I'm just going to the temp email again. And as you can see, I got the confirmation code here. Click on this. And this is the code. I'm just going to copy it and paste it. And you just need to give your another name here. For just random, I'm just going to give a random name here, because I'm not going to use this. I'm only just going to use this for creating videos. And after that, it will automatically, I'll delete this. So I'm just going to give a password here. So remember to give a strong password or it will not create an account for you. And click on this verify human and click on this complete sign up. And it will take you to your new account that you just made with a temporary email. And as you can see, this is a completely new account. And now you can go to Imagine, create any images that you want, or you can just upload a file and start to create your video. If you get the 20 videos per limitation, but in my case, I didn't get any, maybe 25 or 30 plus videos. If you just upload any images and create videos, and it will start to create video. In this way, you can use this tool for unlimited time. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.